In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Nifty 50 stocks to your watch list on Tradingview so you can track the top Indian market stocks in one place. Start by opening Tradingview and logging into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top right corner where your watchlist panel is located. Next, click on the plus button inside the watch list. This will open the search bar where you can find and add new symbols. In the search bar, type Nifty 50 or the index name like Nifty 50. When it appears in the results, click on it to add it to your watch list. If you want to go a step further, you can also add individual stocks from the Nifty 50. Simply search for specific companies listed in the index and add them one by one to your list. Once added, your watch list will start showing real-time price updates and performance data for the index or selected stocks. You can quickly scan how each stock is performing, helping you stay on top of market movements without switching between charts. If you ever want to remove a stock, just click the small remove option next to it in your watch list. And that's it. You've successfully added Nifty 50 stocks to your Tradingview watchlist, making it easier to monitor the Indian market in real time.